Every morning before the sun breaks across the sky, I hear them. The soft bleats of my sheep roll over the pasture like a song. It's the sound that pulls me out of bed. No alarm clock could ever compete with that kind of call. When I step outside, the air is still cool and the fields are painted with dew. And right there by the fence, my sheep are already waiting. Heads lifted, ears twitching, eyes on me, like they know the rhythm of this farm better than I do. People often ask, why sheep? Why not cattle or chickens or something bigger, louder, more profitable? And I smile, because unless you've lived alongside them, you don't really understand. Sheep teach you things, not through words, but through patience, presence, and quiet trust. Feeding them is simple enough. A scoop of grain, a fresh bale of hay, clean water. But farming sheep isn't just about filling troughs. It's about noticing the little things. The way one ewe hangs back when she's usually first in line. The way a lamb presses close to its mother, or how the flock shifts when a storm's about to roll in. Sheep are watchers. They notice every detail, and if you're paying attention, they'll make you a watcher too. I remember a season when one of my best ewes fell ill. She stopped eating, lay down by the old oak tree, and wouldn't get up. I spent hours beside her, just listening to her slow breaths, my hand on her wool. There were no words, no promises, just presence. She made it through, but I came out changed. Because in that quiet struggle, I realized farming isn't about controlling life. It's about standing beside it.
Every day with these sheep reminds me, farming isn't glamorous. It's not about big money or shiny machines. It's about consistency. Showing up when it's hot, showing up when it's snowing, showing up when no one else sees the effort. There's a rhythm here that city life doesn't teach. You can't rush a season. You can't hurry grass to grow or force lambs to be born quicker. The world might be chasing speed, but out here, patience is power. When I walk among my flock, they remind me of that truth. The way they graze slowly, heads down, side by side. The way they find safety not in being the fastest or the strongest, but in being together. That's a lesson worth carrying into life itself. Sometimes I stop in the middle of chores, the sun just starting to warm the pasture, the flock spread out like white clouds against green grass, and I realize this is enough. Not flashy, not fast, not loud, but steady, real, grounded.
And maybe that's why sheep matter so much to me. Because in their quiet way, they remind me what's important. They remind me that care isn't measured in money, but in moments. That loyalty is built in showing up day after day. And that the best things in life grow slowly but surely if you tend to them. So when I close the barn door at night, with the flock safe and settled, I don't just feel tired, I feel fulfilled. Because I know tomorrow morning, before the sun rises, they'll be calling again. And I'll answer, because this is the life I've chosen. This is the life that's chosen me. And maybe, if you listen close enough, you'll hear what the sheep are teaching too.